What's going on, everybody?
Hey, everybody.
Hello, I am a student at Hollins University.
Watson Institute at Lynn University.
I'm a Penn State alumni.
I am a social change agent hailing from Virginia.
So you got to attend the Masterclass series. It's an all-access pass to master's level concentrations in social innovation. You get 75 minutes jam-packed with content delivered by experts in the field.
Individuals who've been through the process know the growing pains of being a social entrepreneur.
It is the most creative and most engaging way to meet people and learn about problem solving in the current times that we live in.
I believe that it's one of the most accessible and fun classes you can take because it's a lot more fun than just a Zoom call.
Yeah, this is way better than Zoom University.
It's one of the most engaging virtual classes that I've been a part of.
The most intriguing masterclass I've attended was on biomimicry.
Reimagining education with rappers with corporate America.
How to remain grounded through challenges.
Empathy is a tool for social justice.
And the very concept was mind-shattering. Just taking such a foreign, amazing concept and then discussing it with a group of amazing individuals from across the US. Like, I couldn't trade that for anything else, really.
The masterclasses are not through a Zoom call, it's through a different kind of platform. And the platform itself makes it so much more engaging, so much more interesting and unique.
We got to move around and go to different tables and talk about different aspects of the problem.
During a time where I'm isolated and at times I feel like no one really cares anymore in society, it's been amazing being able to connect with individuals who care deeply about community, but also not just talking about the problems, but finding solutions to barriers in their own communities and in this world.
It was really cool to see other people share their experience and share their adversities and how they overcome them.
I love the vulnerabilities, the transparencies, and the education that we're sharing together on the tables. We all get to have conversations as human beings.
Ever since I've joined the Masterclass series, I think I've been a lot more vocal about the problems that I want to solve.
It's just amazing how much I'm growing my network and how much I'm being of help and also being helped by the people I'm meeting.
This masterclass has been a huge blessing. I feel inspired literally every time I leave.
Just building up my confidence, identify new passions that I really care about and that I know that I can make a difference in the world with.
Sign up for the Masterclass. This is one of the best investments you can make. It's an hour and some change, and it's totally worth it.
You never know what gift may be given to you during that time, but also you never know what may be ignited in you